So, this soap gave me grief. Now, I don't know if you realized it when I was making it, but the tall and skinny's skinny, so it's hard to get your hands in. And then when you add a frame, you've even shrunk it more, so it's even harder to get your hands in there. So I was trying to hold my embed and put it in, and I had to hold it by the umbrella. Well, the umbrella decided to detach from my couple and fall in. And it actually kind of looks like it's sitting on the ground. Fingers crossed. Not perfectly straight, but we'll see. I'm gonna go cut it and see what we have. Also, I put my top on backwards. This should be on this side and this should be this side. Whatever. It's not the end of the world. I'm just annoyed at myself over that little flub. But okay, so maybe I did put it on right. Oh, I did. Huh. Okay, cool. Okay, the umbrella is not quite, it's supposed to be sitting over his head. It shifted. But they're actually sitting on there. The hearts are cute. It's supposed to be rain. I think they should have been smaller hearts, but okay, that's not awful. Let's see what's over here. Okay, well, all things considering, I will take it. Oh my gosh. And I did put it on correct. It was not going on, and I thought it was backwards. Okay, I'll take it. I think it's, all things considered, not bad. I mean, the umbrella came off his, like it was kind of attached to his head, and it came off. And her foot on some of these didn't extrude perfectly. Again, I'm nitpicking. That heart fell down into the ground. I mean, all things considering, this is like a million times better than I thought it would be. So you can see a little bit, it did get pushed down. You can see some of that there. And like I said, the umbrella, it's not sitting over him, which it should, but she's getting a little wet, but that's okay. It's not bad. Whew. Oh, I feel so much better now. I was so upset yesterday after pouring this, because this is a lot of work. I have one heart that went a little sideways, but most of these I got to stay right side up. But yeah, this was a ton of work to make this. So it was one day to pour the frame. I had to make the embeds, and there were a lot of embeds, really, when it came down to it. Then pouring it, like, it was 4 days of making this soap. So, yay. It's not awful. Whew. Okay, that's the first romance.